I want to share with you how to make big things happen. And I followed this proven formula for many years. And this formula I want to give to you. To live your dream, to make anything happen, you got to follow the steps. Number one is you have to have the right mindset. To accomplish anything, you got to think the right way. Change our thinking, change our results. Maybe it's abundance thinking over scarcity thinking, positive thinking over negative thinking. Whatever we're thinking, we got to change to get to the next level. Number two is you got to have models to follow. So my question would be, what model are you following? Who are you trying to become? Whether it be a book you're following, a seminar that you're following, a product, you always want to have a model that you're following so you're not having to think through the whole process. You never want to reinvent the wheel. You only want to apply number three, which is massive action. Massive action following a proven model with the right mindset, you can accomplish anything. So like if you're stuck and you're not getting the results you want, I would ask yourself this question. How is your mindset? Is it the right mindset? What model are you following? Do you have a model? And lastly, are you taking massive action? Are you doing your part, putting in the work? Take a minute and look at this and see where you can improve your mindset, the models you're following, or taking massive action. And if you need help, I want to encourage you, go to pratt.com. If you're stuck, schedule a strategy session with one of our coaches, and we're going to help you come up with a strategy to break through because we have the models and that's what we do. So go out there, take massive action. Feel free to reach out if you need help. I'm looking forward to hearing from you guys. Take care.